8 times winner as world's best airport, Changi Airport will give you the grandest welcome to Singapore. Hi guys, this is Ishita here and welcome back to my channel. This vlog is going to be super special because this is part 1 of the Singapore series, which is also my first international trip. So stay tuned to know everything about how this experience was and what and all I did on my day 1. I'm going to head straight to the Jewel and I'm going to show you the most beautiful airport in the world, all the activities that they have here and what and all you can expect and how early you should come to explore the same. To see more of my travel videos, please subscribe to the channel. I flew from Mumbai and it was around a 6-hour flight. Also, my immigration process and all the formalities at the Singapore airport were super quick and efficient. I quickly checked the SIM card options at the airport, but I found it little expensive and I thought that I'll check it later in the city. I reached Canopy Park a little early than the opening time, and meanwhile I just strolled around the airport and skimmed through the ticketing options. When I purchased the ticket, I got to know that the luggage is not supposed to be carried inside. So depending which terminal you are coming from, accordingly check the baggage deposit stores that are nearest to you and drop your luggage beforehand. So now I have reached the ticketing counter at the 5th floor of Changi Airport and I have taken my ticket, and I'm going to leave all the details about the different categories of tickets that they have in the description, so do check it out. And now let me take you to the activities that I have covered in this bundle. So behind me you can see world's tallest indoor waterfall, and this is Changi's Vortex Waterfall. This mighty waterfall is world's tallest indoor waterfall at 40 meters height, surrounded by lush greenery that will make you forget that you are at an airport. And now I'm exploring the attractions included in my bundle ticket. This is Canopy Park Bridge. And we were successful. There are multiple spots to take as many photos and videos you want to take of this because it's truly a beautiful marvel that you should not miss. I spent around 3 to 4 hours here, where you can go for the bundle one that I had opted for, wherein you cover the walking net, Hedge Maze, Mirror Maze, many locations to walk by the glass cave-in and cover this waterfall. And do let me know in comments if you have tried and which is your favorite spot. These activities were super fun, but I would say that as per your personal choice, you can choose if you found these attractive enough to be bought for $38. However, the highlight is still Vortex and it's free. That is something that you should not miss. So right now I have reached Changi Airport Terminal 3, and as I had shown you on first day of my trip that I had been to the Vortex and everything, on my last day today here I am to explore the Butterfly Garden. Also note, Butterfly Garden is accessible only after you have done your departure check-in. Butterfly Garden is a free of cost attraction and you can spend 15 to 20 minutes here. However, as I had already had this kind of experience at Singapore Zoo, I thought that it can be skipped in such cases. I hope you found this video useful and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos.